Hey guys, so we're about at the end of quarter one. If you've had journalism before, you know that one of the things that I like to do at marking periods is have you guys collect together your work into a portfolio. This year, that process is going to be a little bit different. So last year, I asked you to move all of your writing into an online portfolio, and this year, I'm asking you to just give me a few select pieces. That's one of the differences. The second difference is instead of having you build on an outside blog platform, I want you to build your portfolio right within Canvas. So this is a short video to show you how to do that. If you look at the assignment write-up, you can see what the required elements are. This video is just to kind of show you how to navigate the platform to find how to do that. So this is the home page for journalism. If I click on my name here, and then I look on the left-hand side, you can see that I have something here called ePortfolios. So if you click on ePortfolios, you can see I've already made one, but what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the right-hand side where it says Create an ePortfolio. It will prompt you to name your portfolio, and you can just, as I did here, you can just put your name and then portfolio, or you could say Cisco Journalism Portfolio or Marissa Bragg Journalism, whatever you want to call it. Once you have the page created, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Welcome to your ePortfolio. I want you to go to the actual ePortfolio here. Once you click there on the left-hand side, you can kind of see a navigation screen, and this is going to tell you kind of what are the layers of this book or this portfolio that you're creating. So the first section, if I click in Home, that's sort of like the front page of your portfolio. And then if you go to edit this page, you should come to a rich text content editor. Notice it has these little arrows that will allow you to move things up and down if you had several elements. But this first page, you're just going to put About Me, and then I want you to put a picture of yourself here. This should be your profile picture from your staff profiles, along with the short paragraph write-up that accompanies your staff profile. Once you've entered those things there, save the page. Then I want you to add a page. So you'll have something called Organize Sections. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to allow you to add a page. I've already done it here. You're going to call this page Quarter 1, and we'll do one each quarter. So if I go Quarter 1, and now I want to edit this page. So if you can imagine what a Tumblr page looks like, you have a bunch of different content blocks, and that's kind of how this portfolio works. So what I'm asking you to have are two representative samples of article writing. So you're going to make sure that you copy and paste the full content of the article along with the headline, and you'll do two of those for the articles. You should choose two images that you feel represent your best work with images. Those pictures may or may not be associated with the journalistic content that you're putting for your text content. You should also have a representative sampling of module work. So we've done some work online where you've submitted writing for various assignment prompts. I'd like you to choose two of those that you feel you did a good job on and include those in the portfolio. The last thing I want you to do is to create a rich text content block for a Vision Quest update. So what I'd like you to do there is just write a few points about what's going on with your Vision Quest, sort of what's your point of progress with that Vision Quest now that we're at the end of quarter 1. It doesn't have to be a lengthy summary, it just should be sort of a, this is where I am in my Vision Quest, next steps are, and just give me an indication kind of where the project is. Notice on the right-hand side here, it gives you some options for types of content boxes. The rich text content is just going to take you to a box like this, which allows you to build a content page. If you have a video and you want to include a video, that would give you that option. If it's a course submission, as it would be for the module assignments, you can click there and that will allow you to select that work. If you're uploading an image, please go to this image file upload, and then that content box, you can see here, it will look like this. Do that for those first 2 pictures. You can just browse for the picture there and then upload it. And then once you have all of those elements, you should have 8, right? 2 articles, 2 images, 2 examples of best work for assignments, and a Vision Quest update. Actually, that's 7 content blocks. Go ahead and save that page, and then that will be your portfolio for quarter 1. Pretty simple. As always, make sure you're saving the page. Save the page, save the page, and then move on. So that's how you're going to create your ePortfolio. If you have any questions, please see me, but that's kind of how it goes. That should be the work of this week. You also have an article that's due this week. You may choose a shorter one. It could be informational. It could be a gallery of photos, something that seems manageable so that you can get this portfolio work done. Thanks, guys. Bye.